Hi guys, I'm just making this video to show you how to see the feedback that I'm giving you in Canvas, because I will most of the times give a comment when I assign a grade in Canvas. So here we are on our home page, and if you got a grade that you didn't understand why you got that grade, then this is what you can do. Right now I'm logged into Student View. This is just a test student. It's not going to be a real kid. It's just a test. Okay, so you're on your home page, and so you want to look at your grades and get some feedback. So you just click on this Grades tab right here on the left. So if you click on that, and oh man, our test student is not doing very well. He is missing a lot of assignments. But this one, he got a 10 out of 20, right? Here's the score, and here's what the assignment was out of, 20. And if you'll see this little voice balloon here, that tells you that your teacher gave you some feedback. So you can click on that, and right here, comments. You didn't complete this assignment, give it another try and resubmit. And that was from me, your teacher, and it tells the date and the time that I gave that feedback. Okay, so going on down. So let's see if there's any more comments. Okay, this one, 0 out of 20. How come? Okay, we're going to click on that, the comment. You did not complete the questions. So that is how you look at feedback that you got on your grades, on your assignments. So the thing you need to know about Canvas is that it does sync with PowerSchool, but it might take a little bit of time. So if you are seeing a discrepancy, give it a couple hours and then see if that works out, if it syncs up. For me, I give all my feedback in Canvas. I don't give any feedback in PowerSchool. I only use PowerSchool for the official gradebook report card situation. So I primarily live in Canvas. So yet again, to see your feedback, if you're wondering why you got a grade, we're in Home. You can go to Grades. It has all the grades, all the assignments. There'll be a voice balloon there, comments. You didn't complete the assignment, give it another try and resubmit from me, and you can always resubmit assignments for me. After you get feedback from me, clarify that, you can always redo it and turn it back in. I hope this was helpful. Please reach out if you need any more help. Have a great day.